about service-oriented architecture, probably something a lot more philosophical. But anyway, we're looking forward to it. Let me just get your presentation up.
So while he's getting that presentation up, I just want to make a comment about security. The gentleman from this company didn't mention one of the major flaws that are often exploited in hacking a network, which is social engineering. So if I was to be looking to hack a company such as his, I could invite him to a conference, have him speak about security, while using video cameras to videotape him logging into all of his devices, including his phone when he was standing next to me. All right. So, although it doesn't say that what I'm doing here is a panel, it is actually a panel, and you are all the panelists on my panel. So we're going to be doing a lot of talking today. I'm going to try to keep this to just 15 minutes, maybe 20, in order to allow us to semi-catch up with the rest of the schedule here. What I'm going to be talking about is the cultural divide between broadcast engineering and IT. And earlier, Ed Bender from SolarWinds asked all of you how many of you thought of yourselves as IT people, and only a few of you raised your hands. Let me ask another question. How many of you consider yourselves broadcast people? Almost everyone else. So it's an interesting thing. In this room, we have that, perhaps, a vision of that cultural divide. I am going to be saying a lot of different things that certainly could be provocative. I'm trying to inspire conversation here amongst all of you. I would love to see people get up, raise your hands, talk about your story, your company's experience with IT and engineering, and make this more of a conversation than to really deal with my slides. So I'll start that off by talking about myself. I would like to think that my career has been about bridging this divide. I started off in production, while at the same time studying computer science. This is back in the 80s. And